Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply. I want to show you these wall liners we have installed in our RAM ProMaster. These are the DuraTherm Wall Liners from Legendfleet. We have them in the gray color, which has a textured coat on the surface. These help protect the van. So this van we bought used, it had a whole bunch of dents in it from cargo getting loaded inside. And if they would have had Legend liners installed, it would have protected the van and there wouldn't be all these dents and dings on the outside of the van. As you can see, it greatly improves the aesthetic as well as the van, but there's also a layer of insulation on the back of these panels which help cut down on road noise as well as help control temperatures in the back of the van. Now, if you purchase just the wall liners, you're gonna get a panel for this part of the wall as well as this wall over here. The door liners and these ceiling liners are actually sold separately, or you can buy them as a full package. Installation of the wall liners are pretty straightforward. You can see we have some push-in clips here that go into pre-existing holes on the van, and then we also have some self-threading screws that are gonna go into some safe locations in the van, but overall the installation is pretty straightforward. These are a van-specific liner because they are precision fit for all the contours in a specific van. So you're going to make sure that you choose the right van, the right wheelbase, and the right roof height when ordering these liners. Now in the RAM ProMaster, there are some of these cargo tie-down rings on the wall in the van, which you do get to retain. You just simply take them out, and then there's a hole in the liner that allows you to put that back in place. Now, if you're thinking about getting some wheel well covers like we have here installed, these are compatible with the wheel well covers. You simply push these push-in clips through the wall liner, then through the wheel well cover into a pre-existing hole in the wall of the van. Now, these liners are also available in a white finish as well if you want to brighten up the back of the van, but gray is by far the most popular. Now, if you're looking for these wall liners, the ceiling liner, the door liners, this floor, wheel well covers, or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.